Hey, what's up, Jindo holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, ABS Tech channel updates you about Jindo Inu coin. Absolutely, now this time the trending coin, but unfortunately, from the last 1 hour, the price of Jindo is fast down, and a lot of my viewers ask me about the questions about Jindo. So keep watching this video. This is the urgent update of Jindo, and please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Please make sure to subscribe, my friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Hope you all subscribe. Now, my friends, if we look the latest price of Jindo at this time, so absolutely, first of all, I really appreciate Jindo at this time. So if you want to buy, there's a good idea to buy Jindo coin, because now this time the price of Jindo is very low. 0.000002 USD dollar is the current price. So the price is low, that's mean that they will give you profit in the future, my friends. Now at this time the price is negative 15.2% fast down, but don't worry, after some percent of time they will again start jump. Now the 24 hours trading volume you can see here, and the market cap is not showing here. 24 hours low, highest price, and circulating supply of the Jindo you can see here, my friends. The trading volume of the Jindo at this time is going to increase, because now there is the new coin in the market. And here you can see here, how do you feel about Jindo Inu today? You also tell me in the comment box, and personally I'm feeling good. So let's check it out. Oh, you can see here, now that's good idea. There's a lot of people, 81% people decide to we are feeling good about a Jindo. So that means that they will take a jump, and people want to invest in a Jindo. So people invest in a Jindo. Absolutely, that's clear that you will get a profit from a Jindo coin. If you are a holder, so I recommend for everyone, it's time to hold, not to sell, because now it is just the beginning of Jindo. So absolutely, I'm sure that they will take a huge pump. Don't decide to sell, my friends. Thank you so much. You can see here is the price change last 1 hour. Oh my goodness, you can see in the last 1 hour the Jindo is again start jumping 1.3%. now at this time they are in the jumping mood, and the previous last 1 day negative 15.2%, last 7 day you can see here unbelievable change occurred in the Jindo, and the last 1 week 3 I can't read it. At this time you can read, my friends, and absolutely I really appreciate to see this kind of change occur. First time I see this kind of positive change occur in the cryptocurrencies market, my friends. So I really appreciate Jindo token at this time in the market. If you want to invest in the cryptocurrencies market, so Jindo is a good option for everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any type of questions about Jindo, tell me in the comment box. I will try to answer your questions, but please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech. Thank you so much for watching this video.